Hey guys, happy Thursday. I'm so excited to be unboxing this month's Ipsy for March. If you aren't following me already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check me out on Instagram at xomerlissa. I do a lot of beauty and hair videos over there. But if you are a current follower, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm so excited to just jump right in, so let's get started. Ooh, I see blue and yellow and happy colors. So we have our glam bag here. This totally gives me the vibes of the Disney Epcot ball. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like, look how crazy these details are. This is the front. It's got this beautiful zipper. It almost looks like a coin. And inside it has like a beautiful shade of royal blue. So beautiful. So first we have this Illuminati lipstick, liquid lipstick. It's kind of like a neutral. This is the shade Reveal. I will test it out for you guys. Oh, it's a nice pretty color. I could see myself using this one. Sometimes like they look different in the tube and then they come out really, really dark and I'm like, nope, that's not for me. Next we have Treluce Beauty. Oh, it's a plumping lip gloss. So I think it's in the shade Dazzling. I think it's one of those like tingly lippies. Oh, I like the packaging. That really goes well with this bag. And once again, I will test this out. Oh, it's just like a little gloss that can go over another lippy. I don't even know if this will show up on camera, but I'm gonna try it anyway. It smells good too, so maybe that's a plus. Next we have, ooh, what is this? A face primer, Major Matte by Pink Lips. Long wear matte finish. It's in this little pink box here, and oh, it's a tube. That's cute. So, I'm gonna just try this out on my hand. I don't think it has a smell, but it feels really nice. It's almost like a little lotion. I really like Smashbox primers, but this one's very lotiony and nice. Like, I feel like I might like this on my skin. And next we have this, looks like a little eyeshadow by Estate. It has really pretty colors in here, just two. It's like a little mini travel size in the shade Baby Girl and Miss Me. And that is all that's in my little glam bag this month. I think this glam bag is so cute. It's so neat. It reminds me of space and it's pretty to me. I like it. What do you guys think? Next we have the Glam Bag Plus. The details are so stunning. It has a little feather on it. It has these beautiful gold drawstrings and just the blue. It's like a blue sky. It's so beautiful. And then the details, I'm gonna come up close and show you. It's just really pretty. Now this month, I should have read this at the beginning, but it was kind of at the bottom of my box and I didn't want to spoil myself. So this month's theme is Step Into Your Power. It's all about celebration of women's empowerment. So I really love this theme, living your best life. So I love the blue and the pink vibe that they got going on and the yellows. It's just very happy colors. So first we have this little brush here. It's very soft. It's by Shayana B. Miami. It's very pink, bright. It says setting on the back, so I believe it's for setting powder. And next we have this Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I have so many sleep masks, but I really do want to try this one. I love their melting makeup cleanser balm. I don't really know what it's called, but I really love that stuff. So I can only imagine I'm gonna like this stuff too. So it is yellow and happy. I'm gonna smell it and see. Oh, it has like lemon chunks, it looks like, inside. Oh, that is so perfect. That's gonna be really nice. Next we have Grown Alchemist. This is an eye repair intensive moisturizer. I don't often use eye creams, but I know this stuff is good, so I'm gonna give it a try. Next we have this Wander Beauty Island Hop Getaway. I personally love Wander Beauty. If you've been following me for a while, every time I get a Wander product I get really excited because their products are just so nice, and I always like their palettes. Even though I don't really use eyeshadow much anymore, they just have really nice eyeshadow palettes. It's kind of a neutral palette. It's really pretty though. The colors are beautiful. Their pigments are always nice, which I like. Next we have Juice Beauty in the Green Apple Age Defy Serum, cruelty and vegan free as always. And I'm gonna open it up and see how it smells and how it feels, because I cannot remember. It was so many years ago that I tried one of their products, and I don't know if it was old, but it made my face feel just really gross, and when I put makeup on, it was very cakey. It was just a no good thing. So I've heard really good things though, and since then I have not tried anything else of theirs, but I'm just gonna try this and see how it feels. Oh, it smells so good. It's very citrusy and happy, and that smells really good. It feels really nice. I like the consistency. It's very smooth, and wow, I want to put this on my entire body. I'm very excited for this. It says green apple, but it smells like citrus lemon to me, like a sweet citrus lemon. All right, guys, last but not least, we have the Benefit Professional. This is their Tighten Toned Pore Refining Toning Foam. Visibly minimize pores. Okay. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean face and neck with hands. Use AM and PM. I love Benefit products, so I haven't seen this or heard of it. You guys? So this month's video is a little short. I'm kind of short on time, so I was trying to just make sure I get through this and share it all with you guys. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're not following me already, go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't seen, I've been posting like so many hair reels, so maybe they'll inspire you with your hair. So yeah, let me know what you guys got in your boxes below if you're a fan of this month's box. I personally love the bags. I think they did a really great job. I know some people really are not a fan, but let me know what you guys think. I love hearing your thoughts. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.